Hey, let me show you how you can connect Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 into your phone. So first of all, on your smartphone, you have to open the Google Play Store and search for a Galaxy wearable application and simply install it. Right now, you have to grab your watch. You will have to turn it on by clicking on this button. And right now, you will get the language selection. So pick yours. Click on this marker. Now, as you can see, we have to select the region. So in my case, it's Poland. And now we have to restart device. Now, when the device is restarting, we can go into the application and we have to click open. Now, as you can see, we got some information. So we have to scroll down, we have to click start, and we have to accept all of those, permissions. So click one by one. Now we have to turn on the Bluetooth. So click allow. Just make sure that you have turned on Bluetooth on your phone. And right now, when our device turns on back, we will have to start scanning. Again, as you can see now, the Galaxy Watch 8 appears on the list, so we have to just tap on it once. And as you can see, we got the Bluetooth pairing request. There is the same code, so we have to accept on the phone and on the watch. As you can see, we have to check the phone. So we have to install the Watch Manager, another application. When we click OK, we will be redirected into the Google Play Store. So we have to wait a little bit. And now we have to just click install. Now, when the plugin is installed, we have to go back to the Galaxy wearable application and just simply open it. Now we have to sign into our Samsung account. So you don't have to log in for the Samsung account, but you will actually lost some features. So I will highly recommend you to do this. So I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna click sign in. If you don't want to do this, you can just simply skip. Over here, you can create a Samsung account. Or if you already have one, you can just sign in with Google. Now you can select the account that you have on your device. You can add account, but I'm gonna simply select my account. I'm gonna click continue. And after a few seconds, we got some account updates. So we have to click here. I'm gonna unselect to get news and special offers, just accept terms and conditions and click agree. Now we will get code that will be sent into our device. So to get verification, so we have to click here. Now we have to input that verification code in this place. And now we have to scroll down and click verify. Now I can change my password, but I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna click to skip for now. And we have to click continue. Now accept Samsung end user license agreement. You can also get some updates for Galaxy Watch 8, the automatic updates. Let's say that I want to get it. So click continue at the bottom and here accept all of those permissions by clicking allow. Now just wait for the connection process until we'll get 100%. Now click to sign into your Google account by clicking continue in the right bottom corner and just verify by using your screen lock or using some biometrics. In my case, that was the fingerprint sensor. Over here, scroll all the way down and click I agree. Right now, you can automatically install some apps that you have on your device. So you can decide if you want to do this. In my case, I want to get a completely fresh start. So I'm gonna unselect. I will manually install all apps. So I'm gonna click continue in the right bottom corner. If you got some issues and it's not working, like in my case, you can click skip just over here. Now we can turn on automatic watch backup if you want by clicking next. And you can just install this application, but of course you don't have to. So you will have to go back to the Galaxy wearable application one more time. Let's go back from this one, go back again. And now we have to set our wearing preferences. So I'm gonna put it on the left wrist, but if you want to get on the right, for sure you can do this. And also you have to change the button position if you change preferred wrist. Then click next. Over here you can track the stress on your vascular system. Click next again and again. There's some base information. If you're first time using this device, I will highly recommend you to read everything. And now we can set up a mobile plan. I'm not gonna currently do this, so I'm gonna click skip and now just wait. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected.